Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remote start Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. Begin by ensuring the vehicle is locked and the key fob battery is charged, then stand within range. Press lock twice to activate security, then press and hold the remote start button for 3 seconds. Return to the vehicle after confirming engine, start, and verify heating or cooling has begun. Use manual key if remote fails and consult your manual for compatibility. Cold weather can affect remote start performance, so warm steps help. Verify battery health and fob synchronization, then test remote start from close range. If your Eclipse Cross has a factory remote start module, follow this sequence. Lock doors, press lock twice, then hold the remote start button until engine fires. Allow the engine to idle for a minute to ensure oil pressure and heating systems activate properly before driving. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and save messy spills when you store snacks for road trips or installers. They stack neatly and seal tightly, which pairs well with remote start convenience on busy mornings. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Common issues include weak fob battery, out of range, or valet mode enabled. Replace the key fob battery and retest from within 30 feet. Check vehicle settings for remote start enablement and ensure the parking brake and transmission are in the required positions. For persistent faults, scan for error codes or visit a dealer to verify the remote start module and vehicle key registration. Also consider software updates and compatibility with aftermarket systems to avoid unexpected behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.